Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Mother's Day is fastly approaching, and I know for many of you all, you are scrambling to find the perfect gift. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few DIY projects that you can do in your home for little to nothing. I purchased most of these from the ingredients from Dollar Tree as well as Target. So let's get started. So the first gift idea is perfect for anyone who has oils and essential oils laying around the house. You can always accustom this to your liking using different essential oils. I purchased these travel bottles from Dollar Tree. They came 3 in a pack for $1. Yes, only $1. And you can also give multiple to one person if you feel the need to just switch up the essential oils for each bottle. So in this recipe, I'm going to be using coconut oil and sweet almond oil with a dash of lavender essential oil. Lavender is a very calming and soothing scent, and it's really good for the body. It really soothes you, especially before nighttime. So I'm going to go ahead and use these 2 oils. I have also, to clarify, I'm using fractionated coconut oil. So I'm using my funnel to make sure that the oil does not spill and everything gets inside the bottle. And this is just a perfect idea for someone who really needs and loves body oils, especially essential oils. For the next gift idea, I decided to create an essential oil candle. So I wanted to recreate the limoncello candle that I usually buy from Bath and Body Works. And here I'm just using my lemon essential oil. I decided to melt down some soy wax using the double boiler method. And you want to melt the wax until it reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So you will need a thermometer when making this candle. And so once it reaches the 180 degrees Fahrenheit, you're going to take it off of the heat and let it sit. And you want the wax to kind of cool off until 140 degrees to add your essential oils. And you want to wait a little while, because if you add the essential oils in too early within the process, they will burn off, meaning you won't be able to smell it. And we want a fragrant essential oil candle. For gift idea number 3, I decided to create an essential oil blend. This gift is perfect for someone who already owns a diffuser, or if you decide to gift them a diffuser, they can use this essential oil blend. So I wanted to use some of the favorite essential oils that I know this person enjoys, so I decided to blend them together. And this is very simple. Here I'm giving you all some essential oil blending ideas just in case. the fourth gift idea, I decided to create an herbal tea jar. So if you're someone who has additional herbs laying around the house that you think will be beneficial to your mother, your aunt, any woman in your life who you consider a mother figure, I definitely recommend making this. So I'm using an organic raspberry leaf tea. And for those of you who don't know, raspberry leaf tea is perfect for women. It is very good for our womb. It's very good for our reproductive system. And actually, a lot of doulas and midwives prefer that pregnant women drink raspberry leaf tea because it really does help. And fun fact, I use raspberry leaf tea for my menstrual cramps. So that's just a quick plug. I really do enjoy this herb on a regular basis. And this is another great idea. Along with the herbal tea, I like to gift a mug as well as a personal strainer, just in case that person does not already have a tea strainer. And this is the perfect gift. It's very low maintenance and it's very thoughtful. You can put a lot of thought into it, especially if you do an herbal tea blend where you're blending additional herbs. So for something like this, I would add a stinging nettle tea to the raspberry leaf tea, and it would make a perfect concoction. So for the fifth gift idea, I decided to create a Mother's Day wellness basket. So I purchased this basket from Dollar Tree, paid only $1. I'm adding some decorative paper just to spruce it up a little bit. And I'm going to add some essential items that I believe are really good for the mind, body, and soul. I will be showing you 2 different basket ideas just to give you some inspiration on what you could add to your basket, and feel free to switch it up if you choose, but these are just of the few ideas that I came up with. So first, here I have an herbal body balm. I have some bath soaks, and you can also make that yourself, but I decided to go ahead and purchase it. Also, I'm including an aromatherapy diffuser. So I purchased this for someone who I know does not already have a diffuser, and I think it would be perfect for them, especially for their mental health, as well as, just to help them relax. So I'm including some essential oils that I purchased, or you can also purchase some essential oils that are from the Dollar Tree. Those are a little bit of lower quality, but they do the trick. Next, I'm going to add in a body scrub brush, just so that the person is able to take a bath and really scrub their back and, just feel relaxed. Next, I'm adding in my DIY hand and body oil, so that once they finish up their bath, they can go ahead and use that to moisturize with. Then you can add a beautiful card, just to create a beautiful message. And if you want to create your card all by yourself, you can do that as well. There are no rules, but just put a lot of love into it. So that's the video. I hope you all got some inspiration from this video. I hope you got some cool new gift ideas for Mother's Day. And if you decide to try any of them, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Tag me on Instagram if you decide to create any of these gifts. And for those of you who have lost your mother or your mother figure or grandmother, I'm sending you so much love and peace on Mother's Day. I know it can be very difficult. I lost my mom a few years back, and it doesn't get easier, but I'm sending you love, and I know that you'll make it through. I know your mother is proud of you, or your mother figure is looking down below on you and saying, I'm so proud. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.